My dear friend Shella is asking unsay lami or anong lasa. This collagen drink is actually a pomegranate flavor. So if I'm gonna describe it in details for you, amoy pa lang niya, refreshing na. It has a perfect balance of sweet and tangy. Mild lang siya at hindi nakakaumay at walang lansa at all. So personally, lasa siyang premium fruit juice na medyo tart. Parang real pomegranate fruit talaga siya. Every time I drink this, para siyang reward sa akin for long workout and long work shift of work. Kasi I tried shifting it. During nighttime ko na siya iniinom. And sobrang nakaka-freshen up lang, lalo na kapag nilagay mo siya sa ref before mo siya iinumin. So kung mahilig kayo sa mga refreshing drinks na may bonus benefits for the skin, you might want to try this one too. Super structural and clean lang ng lasa niya. So cheers to healthy skin, and if you are interested, I've got the link down below.